Hey guys, a question that we often have is how to display content tabs inside the product page like there. To show you how to do it, let's just say first that we do have a help page inside our knowledge base with the documentation, but people still struggle with it, and I can understand why, because it's probably the most complicated features that we built in the conversion theme, because at first we built it in simple manner, but it didn't allow merchants to have product specific or collection specific tabs. It only allowed, like other themes, to have global tabs that are displayed on all the product page. So we wanted to be able to display, for example, a different size chart for the t-shirt collection or a specific tab for only one product. So let's do one step at a time. At first, make sure that you go inside Customize Theme. You will need to enable tabs, and we will also at the same time enable the reviews, so we can add the reviews tab here. So you browse to product page. Well, first of all, you activate your license, which I didn't, and you go to the sections called product page, and you scroll near the bottom, and you enable product reviews, but most importantly, you check the box to use tabs, and then you save and you close. Okay, so this is step one. Step two, you go to online store page, you create a new page. This is where you will have the content inside the tab. So for example, I created the page size chart. I made sure it was visible. This is the title of the tab right here, and this is the content. So if I go back here and I add some stuff, and I add an image, I save. After a moment, the changes should be live, like this. Okay, so this is step two. Step three now is the most tricky part. You need to go to navigation, and you need to add a new menu called product tabs. What is super important is to have the handle called product-tabs with an S, like this. So this could be called it doesn't matter, but this really needs to be product-tabs, otherwise it won't work. So then you add menu items. You can also reorder them by drag and drop. And what I want you to be really focused and to listen this part is that you need a proper structure to indicate, is this tab global? Is this collection specific? When I say collection specific, I mean, is it displayed on all the product pages within a collection? Or is it product specific? So for example, let's say I have this t-shirt. If I want to create a collection specific tab, I'll just make sure that I have this t-shirt inside a collection, because I'm not sure about it, because it's a demo store. So there are no collections, so I need to create one collection. Let's create one. This doesn't matter, but I'll just for you to understand, just create a collection. So we will do three examples. One global tab, for example, returns or guarantees, or any tab that could be displayed everywhere on all the product pages. We will also do an example with a collection specific tab, which means, let's say I have 100 t-shirts within the collection called t-shirt. Then if I do a collection specific tab, you will have in each of these 100 product pages, you will see for example, the size chart tab. So this is done. This is done as well. So now I already created some, like in the TV shows where you see people cooking stuff that is already prepared, but I'll just add a new one and I'll follow this structure. If it's a collection specific, I'll say collection t-shirt. So this is to indicate that it's a collection, and this is the name of the collection. If it was product specific, I would say product, and I would call it ASSS, which is the end all, this part of the product. Okay. Sorry. And then I will search for the page. Don't search for blog posts or products or collection or whatever, because we only support pages. And I will select size chart. I'll just make it collection. It could be product as well in this case. And I think I already have the size chart right now, so that might result in a conflict because I'll have twice the same. Yeah, okay. I'll delete this one. But you know, the logic is really simple if you get it. It's like create a product specific product slash handle, like we explained here. For example, collection slash man, product slash art t-shirt global, and we explained it in detail here. This is the contact. So this means if I go to another page, I mean not this product, the contact won't be displayed. So it might take some time to refresh. Okay, so I have them here, but if I go to another page of any product, I don't have the contact. You see, there is no contact tab because the contact tab was specific to this product here, and I did that with this structure, product slash handle of the product, which is, if it's only one word, it's usually the product title, but if it's 2 words, there will be a dash by default between the 2 words. These are global, so globally I want to display about us, and that's why you see it here and you see also it on other pages. But if, for example, you change this for a product name, like I just did, you won't see it global. It's the same logic for the collections. So to recap, you create a navigation menu, you make sure that it's product-tabs, the handle, then you, in customize theme, you make sure you enable the tabs, and you create a page to add the content of this tab, and that's pretty much it. You use global product / or collection / with the handle of the product that you want to display on, or the handle of the collection. One important thing that I forgot is if you create a page, for example, called custom, and you have no content at all, then this page, custom is here, then this tab won't be displayed at all. So you might think it's a bug, but it's not. If you remove the content, then we remove the tab. If you make it hidden, then remove the tab. If you put some content and save, then we will display the tab.